So now that we know what materials are needed, we're ready to set up for our project. What we need for this part is our construction paper. I like to use the black paper. You can use a lighter colored paper. If you're using black, we need a light colored pencil just to see the outline. For the lighter paper, we can use anything, a marker, a darker pencil, all that works. For right now, we want to put aside the glitter, we want to put aside the sequins, we don't need our hanging materials, we don't even need our tissue paper at this point. This part of the process is really making the outline for the butterfly. So this is a great time for mom and child to sit down, figure out how they want their butterfly to look, talk about the different designs of a butterfly, what colors will they be using, and go from there. This project should probably be done on a big space, like a kitchen table. You may even want to lay down some plastic tablecloth, just because there's glue involved, there's the glitter paint, and we want to have a nice clean space. Remember that these are going to be going up in your house, and you want to give some time and thought into the project.